EMCCD stands for Electron Multiplying CCD, and it is a special kind of CCD sensor used for demanding scientific imaging applications. An EMCCD camera works in much of the same manner as a CCD camera in that light hits the sensor and is converted into electrons. The difference with an EMCCD camera is that it has an extra area prior to the output amplifier or the readout stage of that camera, and it's this part of it that gives it this unique characteristic and sensitivity. What happens in this electron register is that high voltages are used to generate extra electrons in a process called impact ionization, and by multiple stages as it passes through the register, you're able to really boost that signal up. So if you had a very weak signal of just a couple of electrons, you can really amplify that signal up to have thousands of electrons. So the signal level is now very high, and the readout noise and the noise floor of that camera would be very low through to this EMCCD technology. If you didn't have that EM gain and that amplification being applied, the low level of signal at readout would be indistinguishable from the noise. So that's what gives the EMCCD cameras this really raw sensitivity that even allows them to detect down to single photons. These days, EMCCD cameras are used for the most sensitive measurements that you would have to do. So that's things like biophysics, single molecule imaging, and even for quantum imaging as well. Even with the many developments to SCMOS cameras, it's still EMCCD cameras that are relied upon to make these critical measurements that are used in these kinds of applications.